Today, we're going to talk about how you can convert from a two-handle kitchen faucet to a single-handle kitchen faucet. So here's what a sort of a standard stainless steel 3-hole kitchen sink looks like. These are pretty popular. Sometimes your sink may just have one center hole, may have 2 holes, 3 holes, or even 4 holes. Those holes are for the faucet, for the air switch, little push button for your garbage disposal. Could be for a liquid soap dispenser, a spray hose, a water dispenser, etc. So in this video, we're focusing on if you have sort of a standard 3 or 4 hole sink and you want to get rid of this two-handle faucet, there's a simple, easy way to do that. Woo! And remember, these two-handle faucets, your connections below the sink, you got your hot and your cold, goes down through those outer holes, and then usually that center hole is where your hose attaches for your sprayer. But if you want this type of setup where you just have one hole in the center and one of these pull down type faucets, there's a couple ways to accomplish that without having to change out your sink. And again, a little button you see is the garbage disposal air switch. This is a kit you can buy at Lowe's, Home Depot, etc. Just a quick disclaimer. This video is not a promotion for Lowe's or Home Depot or any product. So a simple, cost-effective solution to plug those holes that you're not going to use anymore is to buy these sink hole covers. They come in brushed nickel, chrome, etc.
Wow.
They're simple to install. You simply place them in the hole. You see you got the little washer and then the plastic nut. Tighten it down and you're done. If you don't like that look, the other option is one of these decorative deck plate covers. So you would install your new faucet in the center hole along with this deck plate, and that deck plate would obviously cover those 2 outside holes. So those are kind of your two options you have to use your existing sink, but to upgrade your kitchen faucet. And so that's what your pull down single handle kitchen faucet would look like if you use that decorative deck plate instead of those round sinkhole covers. And this particular faucet, right now, at the time I'm recording this video, right around $80 at Lowe's, Home Depot. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.